That'll bring Danny Evans to the plate. The shortstop, coming off a 4-hit game last night, checks in against the tall left-hander and takes a strike at the knees. Zone 1. Evans hitting .274. He has 11 home runs, 47 runs batted in. Not much of a wind today. Outfield playing straight away. Pitch to Evans is popped up behind second base. Hubbard goes out to the edge of the grass and one-hands it for the second out of the inning.
Let's go. Hey gang, Malcolm Winters, back to the West Coast. How we all doing? We're keeping it kind of low. It's a little early in the morning, not too early. I've been out for a while, checking out the YouTube, catching up with everybody. That's been really nice. So, what are we up to today? It's actually supposed to be sunny for the next week or so, so the idea is to take all the tarps off the boat, let her open up, get some sun up there, come up with some ideas of how we're going to rebuild that bimini on the top of the boat. Bimini is what covers the driver's station on top of the boat. When I got the boat, it was absolutely missing. So sometimes you can build it out of conduits. The best thing to do is to build it out of a stainless steel pipe. Of course, that's very expensive. So we're going to come up with some ideas and go from there. But for now, we're taking Ted for his walk. So here we are at the top of the ramp of the boat docks, Pier 66, right behind True Green's Bakery, right up behind me there. Smells nice all the time, cinnamon bread. The owner of the True Green's Bakery has actually went and built this area behind us. Great little sitting area, and of course the piano. So as you can see, not too bad of a walk for having to do it every morning, every night. I am able to go the other way. The other way is just not as exciting. There's no real beach to walk at, and less to see. And you're kind of walking on the road the whole time. So this way, at least you get to go down here. I don't know if you've seen my Facebook page, but of course I've mentioned that I called the Oceans of Wildlife. Anyways, asked permission to be able to walk on a reserve there, and they were more than helpful and giving me permission to do that. So that's what we've been doing. Of course, I always pick up after Ted no matter where we are. He's in the middle of the forest, then maybe not, but. So there we go, a bit of a walk around to the beach, nice sailboat down there, and we're on our way back. Of course, quite often, well, pretty much every day, we go down to the Fisherman's Wharf, see if there's any new boats down there, and take a look at that sailboat that I really want. So, of course, we're head down there again today. And there's one of the wood boats. So the Wood Boat Society here in Cowichan Bay is actually just wrapping up their boat festival today. Had the seagull races yesterday. And haven't seen a lot of wood boats. Had a lot of people come down and poke around, say hi, and look at my boat. And a little more impressed with my boat than I am, so that breathed a little bit of life back into me. How it is going into the sun over here. But yeah, always free seafood down here if you get up early enough in the morning to come check it out. Into the Chris Craft down there, of course it's all fiberglass. Went down there and checked out the construction of the roof for ideas. So of course that's me signing off at the Fisherman's Wharf. We'll catch up with you guys back at the boat. And we're back from the walk. Still a little early, so I'm not going to be talking too loud, but as you can see, we've got a bunch of tarps up there. It's been covering us up so that the rainwater won't come in. We'll be able to take a chance to get a look at what should be the bimini. Of course, once again, the bimini is what covers the driver's deck up top there. So have a crazy idea of trying to build a roof over it and then canvas it in from there. Other ideas, or actually getting electrical conduit is what some people call it. Best way to do it, of course, would be stainless steel tubing. Of course, that's very pricey, and it is what I have around the sides of the boat though, so I'm going to look into options, get those tarps off of there, and go from there. Alright. That's a little better. So as you can see, I've been using the fly screen from about 8-10 years ago that we used with my Jeep Cherokee, and been able to make a makeshift bimini over top of what we have there, which has been really great for the shade and keeping the bugs out. So I'll just take you for a little walk up there and show you how it looks. So we have the start of a makeshift kitchen there and barbecue outside. Of course, this is the area that needs the bimini over it. The one that used to be up here used to fold forward, attach the front window, and had a little bit of an extra window there and fold back. Of course, the one that we saw, Chris Craft's, the fiberglass one we saw on the walk, the front window is about twice the size of our front window. So in replacing and put a roof on this, looks like that we'd have to get rid of what's there and start fresh with new windows. I'm not sure if I want to go that far. But how fantastic is it down here? Sound of pan flutes in the background, beautiful sky, calm waters. All I need to do is get these motors running so that we can get out on the water. Hey gang, thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that bell, because the subscribe button doesn't do too much anymore. And don't forget to hit those likes, lets me understand that you guys are watching these videos and that I need to keep posting. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.